What is up, you guys? Guess what is happening today? Guess where we're going? I got my boy back there. Okay, what up, Agnes? That's my cousin right here. Hey, papi, ¿cómo estás?
Hey, how are you?
Oh, yeah. Hey, we got something really special. Manuel, what up, man? How you feeling? You ready?
Ready, bro.
All right, here we go. Hey, listen, guys. So today we have two special things going on. Number one, we have Yelena, one of our good friends from, she's from Oregon, right? Originally from Oregon. We met in church in LA. She's here in Dubai. And then something super special and super near and dear to my heart. It is my girlfriend's birthday. So she kind of knows what we're gonna do, but we're gonna surprise her. So we're gonna bring you along for the journey. You guys ready? We'll see you right now. Ready? What? Yelena and Megan are in the house. All right, it's on now. It's on, yeah. Wait, are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey! Go straight. 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 Go straight.
You take the discount.
Go straight. Go straight. Yeah, go straight.
They have they like better stuff, you are.
I don't.
We're not going to the same one.
Hey! Miguel, Ibrahim! What's up, Pop? Okay, right here. You ready? Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that boy cheesing, boy. Look at him. Boy, that boy happy. Everything is free.
Hey, girl. You ready, babe? Hey, how you feeling? I'm super excited. It's my birthday. It's so good. I love it when she shows her talent. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You ready? Come on, Megan.
This guy right here. This dude got stuck on the rocks, Manny. Come on, keep pushing, bro. Keep pushing.
A few inches later.
All right, guys. Golf, right?
Yes.
Now. This is, babe, put your glasses on. Let them. Boy, I love your beautiful eyes. So, guys, the waves are choppy, as you can see right there. That's the Persian Gulf. So we're gonna catch up. I mean, Manny and Megan. Manny lost his hat. This is crazy, but we're here. We love you, Mama. You got anything to say?
Love y'all.
We love you. All right, guys, this is crazy. Cause look who's driving! Oh! Alright. Okay, there goes Megan. There goes Yelena. Yelena! Baby, turn this way. Look at Manny over there.
Look at Manny.
Alright, go straight. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait. Alright, go straight a little bit. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going.
Oh! Oh! Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Wow! right, babe, I'm off. Wait, let me put my phone back. Let me put my phone back. Okay, babe. All right. So what were you thinking when you were like literally just on some rocks and like?
Thought this is what it felt like when the people shipwreck their faith. This is what it's like. How do I get out of here? I mean, what does repentance look like? Like, how do I get back to this? To the
did it take a lot
water?
of?
I need to get
Did it
to
take a
the
lot of
water.
like power? Did you even pray? Did you even talk to God? Or you just try to do it on your own strength?
Unfortunately, I do have my own strength. I think there's a spiritual lesson here that I need to really think about. But once I was back in,
That was
I
it.
was back in the flow
That
of
was
the spirit.
it. You was flipping. You was doing all types of stuff.
I was in the river of God. I was just.
So, how you guys feel about that? That experience.
I'm glad you pushed through, bro.
Yeah,
You literally pushed through.
So Megan, what were your thoughts when?
Like, what did this boy do? What did he do? How did he end up on the shore?
Like, did you not see it there?
Like, did I not teach you anything?
So
That was my first time.
So what happened? Did it go boom? Did it like?
No, like I was turning, but I didn't realize like the angle I was holding my my steering wheel was I literally just glided onto shore, and I was like, I'm on the rock.
Did you feel the rock?
Yeah, and then that's when I let go. I was like, okay,
Now, did you attempt to press the gas to think you were going to get out?
No, I didn't. That's why I shut it off. Because then I was thinking, like, if I try to press the gas, like, what's that gonna do to the motor, to the?
I want to know what the guy
And I
told you.
didn't want to end up on America's Funniest Videos, you know?
You might, bro.
Still might, bro.
You might.
What did the guy tell you?
Right now we're having a Pakistani meal.
Yes.
This is like a Middle Eastern. This is. I don't know what this is, but I think it has shrimp in it. And this is lentil.
Dal,
Some good rice.
Biryani.
Biryani.
chili chicken,
Chili
Garlic
chicken.
naan.
barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken.
I forget.
And they're ready to eat. They want to stop filming. Hey, how are you?
Good. Hey, my friend.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Happy birthday, huh?
It's your birthday. Birthday. You sing?
You sang for her?
Do you know that sing? Me and you will sing. I can sing.
Yeah?
You say for Charlie's birthday. Wish happy birthday. Happy birthday, wish.
Ready? Yeah?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'll start.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Manuel's cousin. Happy birthday, dear Abby. Happy birthday to you. Come on, man. You take this. Manny.
Wow. Look at you, girl. You looking pretty. Guess where we are at? We are at the Dubai Marina, and we have something special for this one right here. This beautiful. Look at her. I love it. But we want to show you the Dubai Marina. This is pretty special. It is Sadvi's 21st birthday.
Wow.
And she looks amazing
I
for
look
20.
like I'm 21.
So my little queen right here, we have something special for her. We'll be right back, all right? I'll show you the Dubai Marina. This place is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Look at this. We got people around. tons of restaurants right here. We got little shops. So, be right back, okay? Thank you. Alright, let me see. Yelena, are you ready, girl? Mega, you ready? Mega sleep. Manny, what's up, man? You on camera? Alright, bro. You know you're gonna get a fine, bro. Megan already told you. Guess where we're going, guys? We can't tell you just yet, but we are going. Wait, my edges are coming up. Be right back. Be right back, bro. Be right back. Alright, so we're here. That's my friend right there. Say hi. Say hi. That's you. That's you. Manny, how you feel right now? Agner will never let you book a trip again for us. Private. Give me them tools. Give me them tools. Hold on. Alright, here we go. So we just put Manny in the back with his cousin. Alright, Manny, you ready? It's your cousin right there. That's your cousin, Manny. Boss. Whatever you have, make sure you hold on. Baby, you might not want to play with that right now.
No. Oh yeah.
Let's go, Megan. here, baby. We're running to get the sunset. Sophie, hurry up. Ah! We gotta climb up this hill. Here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go. You ready? Let's go. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. What up, girl? You ready? Ooh, look at you guys. Let me see it. Let me see it. What? They're in a gang.